Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to change your MacBook wallpaper from downloads. First, I will download this photo from this free photos website. So free download. Now that the photo is my download folder, just go click on this little Apple icon, select system settings. And first you will land on this general page, click on wallpaper. Now click on add photo, then choose. Click click your download, select your download folder and locate the photo that you want to add, for example this one, and click on choose. And just like that, your photo will be selected as your wallpaper and it will start being used as your MacBook background picture. And this is how to change your MacBook wallpaper from downloads. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.